You're counting down the seconds until you can skip the ad, right? I get it. But what if you never had to watch an ad again? What if you had a browser that actually respected your privacy? Well, Brave Browser does. And you can...
Atom is a text editor for the 21st century. It's engineered for approachability and fully featured right out of the box, which helps ignite your productivity from the first time you launch it. But it's also hackable to the core, offering the same extreme flexibility you'd find in classical editors without requiring you to twist all the wires yourself. In this video, we'll look at how to tune Atom using settings, custom key bindings, themes, and packages. The easiest way to start configuring Atom is to open up your editor settings. Your core settings contain fields for common preferences like your file encoding type or defining globally ignored files and paths. You can also specify a default directory for Atom projects here. Your editor settings allow you to customize the way text is displayed in your editor window. These properties let you set your font and tab size or toggle visual helpers such as line numbers, indent guides, and even invisibles. Now, they have predefined defaults for you to use, but they're easy to customize if you want to make adjustments here or there. The Key Bindings tab in your Atom settings shows you all of the handy keyboard shortcuts that are available to you. Now, Atom comes preloaded with a core set of key bindings, but this list grows as you extend Atom with third-party tools and packages. If you need to find a particular shortcut quickly, you can use the search box to filter this list. If you need to override a particular key binding or want to create one from scratch, you can directly edit your key map file. Atom uses CoffeeScript object notation to manage key bindings in this file, so shortcuts are easy to read and simple to create. There's even a predefined snippet for creating a new key binding. Just type key and press tab. Atom expands the snippet into a convenient template for you. Speaking of snippets, the Snippets file in your Atom configuration lets you define text expansion shortcuts for bits of code or text that you use frequently. Like key bindings, snippets are also written in CoffeeScript object notation, and Atom even has a snippet for creating snippets. Just type snip and press tab. You'll have a sample snippet which you can modify to define its scope and behavior. The Themes tab in your settings lets you customize the visual styling of your editor's UI elements as well as the syntax highlighting within the editor itself. Themes are collections of style rules written in Les, which is just a superset of CSS. Now, Atom comes prepackaged with a handful of themes to give you plenty of options to start with, but there are hundreds of themes available for you to try out, all of which were created by your fellow Atom users. To install a theme, just click on the Install tab in your settings and choose one of the featured themes or search for something you like even better. If nothing catches your eye, or maybe you installed a theme but want to make a few adjustments, you can override any styling by creating custom rules in the styles.les file of your Atom configuration. Now, Atom comes brimming with functionality from the first time you launch, but like any modern text editor worth its weight in ASCII, it's extensible on all fronts. You can install packages that enhance Atom with everything from syntax-specific snippet libraries to entirely new UI elements. Like themes, Atom comes with a handful of core packages, and you can manage all of your installed packages in the Packages tab. Notice that you can even disable or completely uninstall the core packages to help jettison any unnecessary weight that might slow you down. In addition to the core packages, there are over 2,000 user-contributed packages available from the Atom community. Just use the Install tab to find a package that gives you that extra functionality you're looking for. Whether you want a user-friendly text editor that simply works out of the box, or you prefer an environment that lets you roll your own experience, Atom has everything you need. After all, Atom isn't just a text editor, it's your text editor.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So GitHub's Atom is an incredible code editor for web development and programming. And if you guys have watched my videos for a while, then you've probably seen me use it quite a bit. So in this video, what I'm going to do is take a default installation of Atom and set it up with my favorite packages and plugins. Now, you may not see me use all of these plugins all the time, and the reason for that is because